Hi everyone, you're welcome back once again. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can swap your BNB to USDC right here on the Trust Wallet app. So for those of you that are new, I want you to know that the Trust Wallet is a Web3 decentralized wallet that helps you store and transfer cryptocurrencies. All right, you can also purchase your cryptocurrency directly from here in Trust Wallet. And recently I made a video on how you can purchase your cryptocurrency seamlessly using your Visa dominated card and also using your local bank. So you have to watch the video to the end so that you avoid unnecessary mistakes when carrying out your purchases. So right here, I'll just go straight on how to swap from BNB to USDC. So first of all, I want you to know that there are a lot of integrations that have been added in Trust Wallet recently. So if you're using this Trust Wallet, you have to ensure that you're using the latest version of Trust Wallet. Right here, you can see predictions markets have been added and more ways to earn have been added in the Trust Wallet ecosystem. And also, there is NFT section. Now you can buy NFT and import NFTs directly on Trust Wallet. Now you have known that, let me tell you, go straight to the process. In order for you to swap your BNB to USDC, you have to click on this BNB logo right here. You click on it, all right? Now, as soon as you click on it, you can click on this trade. If you don't want to use this trade option, you can use the other option, but I prefer this trade method. It's more faster. All right. So now you can see here now that the quote currency, which is the upper one, is BNB, and the lower one is USDC. Right. Now you select the amount you wanna swap. Let's say, for instance, I want to swap to BNB. I'll just tap on that BNB. Okay. I'll tap on that BNB. Then it's gonna take me to this section right here. Okay. Now you see these are the various networks that we have in the Trust Wallet ecosystem. Now you can decide to either interswitch. You can let's say interswitch from one network to another network. But for the sake of this video, since I want to swap just BNB to a different network entirely, which is USDC, I'm going to select BNB at the top. You can use that option at the top to select BNB, or you can use the option at the bottom to select BNB. Now you can see BNB right there, right? Good. Now, if you want to, why this one, you are swapping the one at the top to the one at the bottom, okay? So let's say you are exchanging the one at the top, the money at the top, you are exchanging the money, or you are moving the money from the one at the top, which is BNB, down to the one at the bottom, which is USDC. All right. So now let me tap on that USDC and show you something. Now, in case you want to move or swap from BNB to a different network entirely, you see the same way. You just tap on that, the one at the bottom is going to take you right here in this section. Now you can now decide to use in this method, swipe down and select any network of your choice. Let's say TROX. You can now see TROX has changed, right? In the case of this TROX, if I want to swap from BNB down to TROX, I'm going to leave it like this. But now I want to swap from BNB to USDC, so I'll just tap on that bottom again at the bottom right there. Okay, and then it's going to take me right here. All right, so what I'm going to do right now is to select the USDC. Okay, so first of all, you select from these top ones right here. You swipe this top one to the left, or you look at this little icon, drop down icon by the top right corner. You click on it, and then as soon as you click on it, it's going to take you, show you all the various networks that you can select from. These are various mainnets that you can select from. Now, under this mainnet houses more cryptocurrencies. All right. Now, under what I'm saying is, for example, under let's say Polygon right here, there are a lot of cryptocurrencies under Polygon. Okay, that's what I am saying. Then, if you look at Solana right here, there are also a lot of um, ecosystems or crypto coins under Solana network. It is left for you now to just decide, okay, do I want to swap a particular coin that is under Solana network? All right, it is just left for you to decide that. All right, so now me, since I want to swap from from BNB to USDC, I can now decide the USDC that I want to swap. I will ask myself, the USDC that I want to swap, is it the USDT that is built on the BNB, or is it the USDT that is built on the Solana network? All right. Now, if I want to swap from a USDT that is built under the Solana network, then I'm going to select this Solana ecosystem right here. Okay. Now, as soon as I select this Solana ecosystem, if you look below, you can see here now that there are various ecosystems now that are built on the Solana network, and you can know that all these cryptocurrency, all these tokens right here are built on the Solana network by seeing the logo at just the bottom corner. All right, all those, whenever you see any coin with a little logo at the bottom, know that that little logo that you are seeing at the bottom is the network. All right, is the network that that coin was built on. I hope this is clear enough. So good. So now I want to swap to USDC, right? Now you see this USDC now. Now look below. Which network is it built on? Solana, right? I can now decide to click on that Solana now. Now you can now see that I'm swapping from BNB down to what? USDC. All right. Now in the case of this video, as you're watching this video, in case you have any question, you can always ask your question at the comment section. All right. Or in the Telegram community. Okay. All right. So now you have known all of that. If you want to move or sell all the tokens that you have in your BNB right here to the USDC, you can now come right here and drag this from minimum to maximum. If I drag this from minimum to maximum, look at the top now. You can now see the quantity that I have in BNB that I want to swap to USDC. Ensure while you're doing this, your network is very stable. Okay. Then I'm going to swap the quantity. This is the quantity right here that is shown by the bottom right corner, while the amount is what the one that is showing in the bottom left corner. All right. Now, if I want to swap it to USDC, the amount is going to show, and then you can click. You can now decide to leave it at maximum. Maximum is when you want to swap everything that is in that BNB. You can now drag it to maximum. But in case you want to just swap a little fraction of it, just leave it at, let's say, 50%. Then it means I want to swap just 50% of the crypto you have in BNB. You want to swap to a USDC, okay? Swap half percentage or half of your money that you have in BNB to USDC, all right? Then as soon as, let me say, for example, I want to swap everything, I'll just move it to the right. And then as soon as I move it to the right, ensure your network is stable, okay? And then this one at the bottom is gonna be highlighted. This slide to swipe is gonna be highlighted for you. All right. Just look at the bottom. This button at the bottom is gonna be highlighted to green. Just swipe it by the right. As soon as you swipe it by the right, automatically the money you have in your BNB right here is gonna be automatically swapped to USDC, and then you can now see it sitting in your wallet, guys. So that is basically how you can swap from your BNB to USDC. I believe I have explained a lot in this video. Now, if this guide was very helpful, please do like and subscribe to the channel and share this video to your loved ones, because some persons may also need this information just like you do. So see you in the next video, and bye for now.